In this video, we are going to fix the error code 0x8007007b, and it is regarding the system restore error. If it says that file directory or the exe name is incorrect, and it says please close the system restore and try again. So we are going to see a quick solution for this, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. So what we need to do is just open up the start menu, and right here, system restore. It says create a restore point. Let's click on that. So first of all, if you see in the available drives that the protection or this thing is turned off, just click on the configure and turn this on. Click on apply and OK. And the next thing we need to confirm is the local disk should appear correctly and not multiple times. And here, if you have made sure that you have selected the right local disk where the Windows is, select that, click on create, and it will be helpful to create a restore point. And it says the type a description to help you identify the restore point. The current date and time are added automatically. So it says the current date and time is automatically added, so you don't need to mention this. Just mention anything for your memory and click on create. And it's creating a restore point. It has created a restore point for you. Click on close, click OK. After that, I want you to restart your computer and also open up the start menu. Right here, CMD. Right click on it, click on run as administrator. If it asks you for the command, click yes. Let me just zoom it a little bit. And I want you to copy and paste two commands. First is dism command, and the next one is the sfc command. So first of all, let's paste the dism command. Hit enter, and it will start the deployment image servicing and management tool version 10. By the time you're watching this video, image version is this, and it will process a little bit and then it will complete the process. So just sit back and relax while it completes this. Once that is complete, let's paste the second command. This is fc command. So just copy and paste that here, hit enter, and it will begin the system scan. This process will take some time. Begin verification phase of the system scan. So verification is started. It is completed 3%, and we just have to wait until it completes it fully. So once the verification is complete, it will either resolve and show you the error update, or it will show you that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So that is a good thing. After that, just close out of here, and we need to restart our computer once to make all of this effective. And after that, you can just try running that application or that update, whatever you were doing again, and you should face no problem in accessing that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, just comment down below if that works for you. If this doesn't work, what works for you? Just remember to mention in comments so that it can help all the community out here, because we are in this together, so we have to help each other to resolve this problem. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.